So anyways, I bought this little crossbow. It's a pretty cool little crossbow, actually. A lot of you guys have seen these like on Amazon and stuff. Easy cocking, easy shooting. It's actually not a bad little, it's actually not even a toy. I was going to say it's not even a bad little toy, but it's kind of serious. Like, especially if you put like a little broadhead dart in there. But so I came up with an idea. Well, so I thought, wouldn't it be fun to like build like a little medieval version of that same crossbow? So I don't know. I got a couple of these little stocks here, and I cut this out. I was going to put like a wooden prod on it. This was a project I had last winter, and I was going to do something about it, but I think we'll put that on there. Maybe. Yeah, so I bought this little prod. I don't know. I think I paid like $9 for it or something, and that was including shipping. Made a little string for it, little Flemish twist string, and bought this larger one, so maybe a future project. I was thinking maybe this thing would actually fit the stock better, but it just looks a little big to me. I don't know. This looks a little bit more proportioned, but so I'm just not sure what kind of mechanism I want to use. I noticed the draw length on this one. I don't know, I just use this crude method of doing it, but I put it to the back of the prod, and right there at that line I noticed where the notch was, and so I guess that's an easy way of measuring it. So I took this and just placed it right there and made a line, and that should give me the proper draw length as long as the back of the prod is here, and that's where my string goes. Now there's like these little simple methods where you can just cut a little notch like so, and then that's actually how this one works too. It's got like a little notch, and when you pull a trigger, it just literally just pushes the string out of the notch. And you know, I could probably put like a little lever up here, you know, for like a little, you know, to shoot it like this. Maybe that's what I'll do, because that seems like it'd be pretty simple to do, and that's kind of what I'm after. I guess I want to stay away from the edge, or the top I should say. Probably about like that, I would think. Okay, there we are. I'm going to clean that up with a chisel. Suppose you could just leave it like that if you wanted to. Kind of gives it the ability to rock a little bit, actually. I might just leave it. I don't even think I'll do another thing to that. Better. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I like that. All right, so we'll get that centered in there. Okay, something like that. Make it bigger. Actually, I think it's time to take this thing off. now for the trigger mechanism. Not sure how we're going to do this one. Just play it by ear. I don't know. Maybe. Lucked out. Just happened to be as wide as my gouge. So, we're just gonna... What are we gonna do here? Oh, yes, that's what I'm looking for. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. That looks like it'll work. Once that string's down in there, I'll push the string up. Looks like it'll work just fine. Probably. That was just about right. I found a nail that fit quite a bit better. But anyways, kind of a little crude trigger system. But yeah, I think it'll work just fine. Ooh, that's a nice trigger actually. Don't have to push down hard at all. And yep, get her all sanded up, and we'll show you what it looks like. Oh. Ah. Well, anyways, that's it for today. And here's the modern version. Here's the old version. Old-ish. Old but new. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, hey, sure appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. That'd be awesome. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff, and put your comments in the section below. So